You guys wanted to know if the B7 ran? Pop the hood real quick. You guys really want to know if it runs. Downpipe, intake, timing, everything is done on it. It was misfiring not too long ago because of a bad PCB on top, but we fixed that. It's item perfect now. As you guys can see, everything is straight on it. Everything is wonderful. It's sounding amazing. I love it. Quick update. You guys really wanted to know, so now I'm giving you guys an update. Change the fender. Now we got the front bumper to put on too. And then we done. That's it. For her, you know what I'm saying? $M. Nice. Got my seats out. So what I'm doing over here,
You mean business?
just finished cleaning them up. My little passenger side out. Completely clean. Look, it's nice. And that's the finishing headline touch right there. I've already pulled that side early and I dealt with that already, so we good, you know what I'm saying? We good on this side. So everything is pretty much intact on this side. Really clean, you know? And that one is getting clean too. Malakai, yo Dan Michael. We style hurt up them head, tell them swallow cup up on a doll. 3 mil weed the thugs, make the minimal. Can't pattern to we style, cause we get a bag of girl. Malakai, yeah. Take up on the block and show how we living. Couple million at the safe because we ever winning. Look palm my pinky, my wrist ever frigid. Tell the dematic from my belly and me never fidget. Dan Michael said they wanna get everybody timid. Lyrics is like protein for the brain, so it's not hard for listen. Drive by upon the men's in beds and never the listen. Come blocking on my palm, I glisten it ready for Christmas, ready for come make the mission up. Liberal dog, money just a flow like mineral. But Christian Dior, tell job top up our clocks and the key at the button, ready be my push start. Liberal dog, money just a flow like mineral. But Christian Dior, tell job top up our clocks and the key at the button, ready be my push start. Every pocket never fracture, ask my surgeon. Off-white tees, fresh fabulous detergent. A girl from copy days, grade 1. So we make them on the fast, we sauce A1. We not stand in a line, no, that a for we. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna pull ahead on the 2008 GTI. We're just gonna get it prepared to just get the head off and all the components, you know, just to get access all the way down to get the head off, remove the turbo, take off the timing, take the axles out to get the turbo, the PCV, take off the I'm not gonna take that off yet.
Okay, so we gonna go ahead and pull the fuel pump fuse out right now. Get the fuel pump out. So if I do remember clearly, I did this a bunch of times, you know. Fuse. Which one is it again? Totally forgot. Jesus Christ. So now I'm gonna have to go look that up again because I haven't worked on this car in so freaking long. I think it's this one. I think it's that one. Don't go ahead and quote me, but I'm gonna look it up right now. Totally forgot because I haven't worked on this car in so freaking long, you know. So. Go ahead and screw this right back in here. Less headache when you putting everything back together. Looking for stuff all the time, you know. So go ahead and put that right there. So this is also good. Then for this turbo, I'm not gonna really reuse this turbo, but for safety, if you're gonna reuse the turbo, just go ahead and stuff that right back down there. Okay. Remember, next you're gonna have to also drain the coolant out, so we're gonna get to that soon. But let's deal with all the fuel lines and everything on the upper portion, stuff like that out the way. So, pretty much off. Flathead. Right. Quick little update: the line to the high pressure fuel pump is loosened already. So all I have to do now is just take off this other line right here, get that out the way, loosen that, and then I'm gonna try to pull the intake manifold right off. It's fairly easy because I already took the fuel pressure out the line, you know what I'm saying? So I'm free to just go ahead and just open right here, pop that loose, get these little excessive rubber hoses, fuel. This is a fuel line, purge line, and all these other stuff out the way. And then we could probably just pull the intake manifold right off. So I'm gonna lay you guys back down. Got it. Here. But I need the magnet to pick it up. Take manifold off. We loosen the throttle body a little bit. Cleared up this side, the intake. Now the manifold, we took off the fuel line, purge lines, all the etc. high pressure lines, etc. We got all those stuff off. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is loosen the screw from the intake manifold. Then we should go ahead and be able to pull it right out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna lay you guys back down and I'm gonna get started. New gloves, because